Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer OBDLink data with Torque Pro, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by ensuring that you have the OBDLink device ready and connected to your vehicle's OBD2 port. Download the Torque Pro app from the Google Play Store if you haven't done so already. Open the Torque Pro app on your smartphone. Navigate to the app settings by tapping on the menu icon in the top left corner. Select the Bluetooth option to connect to your OBDLink device. Ensure that your OBDLink device is powered on and paired with your smartphone. You should see your OBDLink device listed under Available Bluetooth devices. Select your OBDLink device to establish a connection. Once connected, go back to the main screen of the Torque Pro app. Tap on the Real-Time Data option to access live data from your vehicle. You can customize the data displayed by selecting various parameters such as engine temperature or fuel efficiency. To save this data, return to the main menu and select the Logs option. Choose Start Logging to begin recording data from your vehicle. You can stop logging at any time by going back to the same menu and selecting Stop Logging. To export your saved data, navigate back, select the log file you wish to export and choose the Export option. Choose your desired format for export, such as CSV or TXT. The file will be saved to your phone's storage, ready for further analysis or sharing. Make sure to review your engine's diagnostics regularly for the best performance. This concludes the tutorial on transferring OBDLink data with Torque Pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.